Hello, this is Doug with a Wurlitzer 3800 Americana Jukebox. I bought this jukebox used off someone, so if there's anybody out there that has one of these, pay attention. I'm having some problems with this one. I can make a record selection, and as you can hear, nothing's happening. I do know that this section up here controls some of the button functions and such, but sometimes it'll run and pick up a record, sometimes it don't. But right now, the only way to get it to turn is make the selection here and go back and re-put my numbers in. But also, I was having problems with the belt over here. When the turntable slides over, then it kicks the belt off of there. If this belt is hooked on here wrong, I got it wrapped around the drum. But anyway, if you got any insights on what my problems are, please leave me a message. And until then, thank you for watching. See you there. Just stop. Didn't do anything. Bye.